Um, this is a very important video. In this video, I'll be doing a top-down analysis approach of my trading model. This model has been tested, back tested a lot of times, and it's worked effectively fine. So I'm going to be breaking it down step by steps and take entry with it using a backtest system. So the first thing that needs to be get right, which is very important and most important thing is this model is the bias. What is item free bias, which simply means where is price expanding to, where is the price draw liquidity. So to do that, we can use the weekly or daily time frame depending on either if it's swing trade or a day trade or short term trade. So on weekly, we want to see a clear draw on liquidity. So price is selling to where we have our old low here. This is doing price. So I'll start the back test from 4th of this month week. So there is it. So price is drawn to this old low. The daily time frame, same old low. That's price actually drawing to. So this is the 4th of the month. 4th of the month. Um, what am I looking for? What am I looking for? The 4th of the month. Um, looking to trace the directions of the price, which is this low right there, that is doing price. So what has price done on this time frame? Price we trace back, we spread this bearish order block, sold for 2 days. So next day, of taking a trade, so they come to 4 hours time frame. Next, so 4th of September is this time here. It was open here. So where at the PDRs that says sell, the price can reverse, possibly drop their reach and then sell from. Clearly, I have this mitigation block which is Olo here. We tested right there on this day. So when the London opens, which is 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. So that is the next section, which is my main section. I'll be looking forward to see price sell from either from this low imbalance here or this up candle here, which is bearish order block. Either of this within this range at the premium level, price should sell for any of those. If it fail, it means price ought to go higher, which means price will take out this high and this high, maybe. So that is how it is done. So on this day now, I'll go right into it and take trades on this day. So next is to go to 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame, markets open 7 a.m. But I was waiting for price to reach that higher time frame PDRA. So price reach it right here around 11:30 a.m. The one I'm looking for next price to change structure to confirm that PDRA has where to sell from. So price broke lower, book this low. So sell to my entry at this mitigation block, stop loss above the high, and then open for his target is this clean low right here. Price will seek to take out the liquidity that's right there, this clean low, and yes, clean low. That's my major tip profit. Price tap into it, entered right there, and it's range for your until next day we are still within that range, right? So the window price can still sell, market opened, and price sold without giving another entry on this day, this second day. It sold massively and hit the TP. So if I want to take it further, I will just target the 4 hours or something like that time frame draw. So, but being consistent with something is quite better than just going for the home run every time. And so it happens. This day is delivered already. So on Tuesday, 5th of September, there's no any sort of entry. This was in the evening, so no clear entry actually. So next the 6th of September, go to Delhi again. 6th, looking forward, sell again to this low. So 4 hours time frame again. So what is price likely to sell from? We have this or same as well mitigation block or low plus imbalance in between. Between this low to this high, there are those there are PDRAs, there's mitigation block, there's other block, there's imbalance. So something out of this this whole low to this high, price can sell from any of those range on lower time frame. So what would be my target? So what would be what I'll be looking to sell from? So 6th market open, price tap into it as well. So go to 15 time frame, looking for market to give any sort of confirmation to that zone. So price tap into this bear shadow block right here, liquidity taken here, and then high taken by this move up. So 6:45 a.m., 7 a.m., and the price sold well. At 7 a.m., we had the shift in market structure, clean break, low broken. So I'll be looking forward to sell right from this other other block started from right here. Stop loss above the high, and then target the 4 hours low or level. So that is entry one. Price further give more entry low, high, something like there for entry, stop loss above the high. If it's too big, okay, something like this, and then sell further. Price further give another entry again within the same section, making a third entry on this time frame. High, a high, low, lower low, price broken is low, other block entry right there. So this gave three entry, which is quite unusual for price. So this day is delivered already. Next day, 7th, go back to the late time frame to see what has price done and what is price likely to do. On the 7th, there is it price is still coming toward this low. So 4 hours time frame again, looking for where price can possibly reach out to and reverse from. So 7th, on the 7th, which is this day, when we open a price will hit this imbalance or something here and the sell from. So 15-minute time frame to see price reach it. Market open, price took out this old high, Imbalance left untouched here. Price broke lower. We test this imbalance here, sell lower. It does not get to that 4 hours PDRA, which is old low. Um, so no entry. It ranged a little bit, went up. So now for 8th of month, go to 4 hours. This is 8. Look for first actually what reverse from. This is 8. Price reach this place. So on the 8th, you go to it. Of course, price took this high and then here put down. It gave a good entry. It sold a little bit, but it does not tap into the 4 hours PDRA. That's all. We gave a good move. So they moved to 11th of September, which is a new week. 11th is here. First, we're kind of ranging in a low level. So this low and this low is still our focus. 11th here. First tap into this old low here, this mitigation block plus imbalance right there. So 15-minute time frame is where I'm going next. Looking for sell entry. High. Tap into it. Broke lower at the during the key zone. Lower imbalance there. Yeah. So I've been an entry right here. Something like this. But price never respected that entry. Yeah. Price took out that entry. It stop loss. Make a higher high. The structure break here. This have been another entry to take entry from, but it was already out of the key zone and price never retest it again. So on the 12th of the month, about to 4 hours to see again. Yes, 4 hours. We are still within this level. So 15-minute time frame. Here, price went up, took out this old high. We visit this bullish or bearish order block plus bearish imbalance right here. It's respect it. Now, some sort of market structure shift happened here, but it's not clean and clear enough. So I go to 5 minute time frame to see clearly into that place. So price tap into it, root lower. This would have been a good entry right here. And price sold massively. So I think this is a good model, quite good, quite good. Just look for daily or weekly direction where price is going to next, and then when you get that, go to 4 hours time frame. What are you looking for? You're looking for old PDRAs, old high, old low, bell shoulder block, and everything where price can reverse to. So what are you doing? You mark it out and then go to 50 time frame when section open looking for price to tap into any of those PDRAs and they give you market structure shifts that confirms that PDRA. They set a limit entry right there. So it's quite easy for me, quite clean. And this is another one. This is the last one I'll be doing. This is a bearish order block right there. So price tap into it there, wait it there, sold off here too. old low, sort of old low. It is actually here. This is a low. Price tap into it right there on this Friday. So go deeper into that. Tap into it, look lower. This all look face here and then sold off. So that's it. It's quite clean, quite easy. It's a good model.